This is the new Santa Fe 2.5 liter turbo. Check it out. Love the front end on these. They did a refresh for 21. This is the limited wheel. One of the better looking wheels we sell these days. This is going to have our lifetime powertrain warranty and 10 years roadside assistance standard. It also will include Pulse at an additional $289. And America's Best warranty, 5 years, 60,000 new car warranty, and a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty standard. Very well covered. And yes, you can run these cars forward and back. You notice there's nobody behind the wheel there. So if you got a tight parking spot, you can run it forward. You can run it backwards. There are sensors that will stop it when it gets close to anything. Or if you're just trying to get a straight line. HARMAN KARDON sound, leather interior, big panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled seats, wireless charging station, big screen, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keep assist. These cars have it all.